I just want to tack on an addendum to the previous video where we talked about ambiguity between two namespaces that have the same class. And I said that if you have the same class in two namespaces and you have both of those namespaces defined in your using statement, you'll get a compilation error. And the way to resolve that is to go ahead and use the full namespace for that particular class name. So for example, you can see we have this solution cs-asp_040-supplement, and this is a simple web form project with just a button and a result label. More importantly, I've included two class libraries. We'll talk about class libraries and how to create them and how to add references to class libraries in an upcoming lesson. But for now, just take note of the fact that we have one, the acme.accounting project has an acme.accounting.administration class with a format message method, and then the acme.marketing class library, it also has an acme.marketing.administration class with a format message. And so when we go to actually use one of these in our project, so say for example here, when somebody clicks the OK button, I want to I want to create a new instance of the administration class, and you'll see that first of all, we have using statements for both of these class libraries that both have an administration class name. However, as we began to type, you can see there's a little X next to the word administration, and it says ambiguous name, choose from the following, either acme.accounting.administration or acme.marketing.administration. So again, my resolution was to just say, okay, well, go ahead and just completely spell out which one you want. However, this tip comes from a lifetime user named Renee Verschuren. Sorry if I pronounced your name incorrectly. He's from the Netherlands. And what you can do instead is something like this. Say, for example, I knew that I was going to use the administration class, and I knew that it was used in both of these namespaces, but I know that there are other classes that I'll need from either one of those namespaces. So to remove this conflict, I can just do this. Using administration equals acme.accounting.administration. And now whenever I attempt to go administration, you can see that I can go ahead and create a new instance of administration, and it will know that we're working with the acme.accounting administration, because we said whenever you see the word administration, or the class name administration, it comes from this namespace. All right, and then we can just do something like this, just to finish out the example, equals a dot format message, and just to prove that this works, we'll go ahead, click the OK button once we get a moment, and we can see that it comes from the Acme accounting namespace, not the acme.marketing namespace. So again, you can use the using statement in this new and interesting way in order to say, for anytime you encounter this class, always consider that it comes from this namespace and class name. Okay? Great tip. Thanks, Renee. And now we'll continue on in the next lesson. Thank you.